welcome to our Team 13 project retrospective. Over the past 5 weeks, we've worked hard to develop CodeSnip, a brownfield project built on top of an existing VS Code code snippet extension. Today, we'll share the highs, lows, and the lessons that we've learned along the way of the project. To get started with positive experience, we have Rowan.
Our greatest positive was team collaboration. One thing that stood out for us was how well we worked together when we communicated clearly. Regular check ins made it easier to solve problems relatively quickly. Problem solving. When we hit a roadblock, brainstorming as a group led to solutions we wouldn't have thought of alone. It showed us the value of diverse perspectives. When it came to task completion, we were able to complete tasks as planned, meeting expectations at every stage of the project. Another highlight for us were the efficient meetings. Our meetings were always focused and on point, which helped us stay aligned and productive over the 5 weeks.
To add to Rowan's points, our cheat codes were daily stand-ups, having good team involvement, and utilizing pair programming to not only improve the quality of our code, but also to enhance our teamwork and shared knowledge. To talk about the new skills learned, we have Surya.
We gain valuable skills that will be helpful in future projects. First, and the most important is we know how to work as a team. Collaboration and communication efficiently play an important role. We learn how to compile and customizing code for VS extension, including modifying its functionalities and UI. And we learn how to integrate code coverage report with code climate. We understand how GitHub Gits work because our project uses GitHub Gits to upload and share snippets. We know how to set up and working with unit testing and end-to-end testing frameworks. And this is not a comprehensive list of what we learned. We learned far more than that from our project.
Yeah, talking about the challenges and key takeaways, one of the most important things we all believe as a team we learned is that there is no project without any of its challenges. And what is more important is how you approach solving these challenges with the correct mindset. Having said that, there were some major hurdles that we did face, and there are lessons that we have taken away as well. One of the biggest challenges for us was to understand the existing code base of the brownfield project that we had chosen. It took us a fair bit of time to get familiarized with the VS Code extension development, and we had to put in extra efforts to understand it as none of us had prior experience in working with VS Code extensions. Apart from this, during the initial couple of sprints, there were times where we added too many features in the sprint scope. And also there were times where we were not, in fact, clear with the scope of the task that we had started on. And that had impacted our development cycle big time. So this was a very crucial learning for us. We had to sit together as a team. And then we made sure that in the subsequent sprint planning meetings that followed, we focused on identifying the tasks that took the utmost priority and had a well-defined scope for it as well.
Our advice for our peers would be to start small, begin with the basics, and add complexity once you're sure the core works. It will save time and headaches later. Communicate often, even if you think everyone's on the same page. Touch base regularly to avoid any surprises. Don't fear mistakes. Some of our best insights came from the errors that we made. So just learn from them and move forward. Document everything. Your future self and teammates will thank you. And celebrate small wins. It will help in keeping the team motivated throughout the process and you'll have better results. Thank you for taking the time to join us in reflecting on our journey. We hope these lessons help you in your own projects. Remember, every project, no matter the outcome, is a chance to grow and improve. Thank you.